Hi, we're Sabrina and Derek. We're an adventure travel couple and have been traveling for 6 years now together. During these adventures, we decided to buy our first camera to bring along with us and record our experiences. In the last video of our Oregon Coast series, you came with us to visit the breathtaking spot on the coast known as Cape Kiwanda. In today's video, we will be going to Cape Meares Lighthouse and visit Seaside's unique Tunnel Beach.
Say good morning, Cap. Cap, do you want to load up? You want to go on a travel day?
Good morning.
Good morning.
We had a late start today. I think it's like 11 a.m.
Yeah, it's like 10, 10:30, 11, something like that.
And I'm a little under the weather.
She's been feeling sick for probably 2-3 weeks now.
Yeah,
stinking cough.
It's not going to stop us from seeing the Oregon coast.
Yeah.
But we brought Kepler this time, our beagle. You probably have seen him in our other videos in the past.
Picking up this adventure going to Cape Meares. Do some things around Cape Meares, check the lighthouse out, and work our way south on the coast these next couple of days. So
we're going to Cape Meares right now.
Yep.
Ready, Cap?
Gonna fly the drone on the dunes though. First stop of the day, Cape Meares Lighthouse. Neat, you just pull in. It's a big old parking lot. As soon as you come in though, there's parking right up front. That's actually for the viewpoint hike. You come down and actually check out the Octopus Tree in the lighthouse a little further down. But yeah, we've made it. We're gonna go get some photos of the lighthouse. Where are we at?
Cape Meares. And we're going to go see the lighthouse. And then Octopus Tree is literally right over there.
I think it's back over that way.
Yeah.
And Beagle's in the car. Alright. Let's go check out a lighthouse. Just have to throw it out there. We are in horrendous color combination. It look like McDonald's. Ketchup and mustard.
McDonald's.
It's true though.
You do.
You have it your way. Well, check it out though. We're at Cape Meares Lighthouse. Hopefully you can see it. This is really cool. So the parking lot is literally just right up there. You walk down this little tree tunnel section and yeah, it's a beautiful little walk, but the lighthouse is literally right there. And it says the viewpoint's closed during the winter, but it's really not giving us any trouble. Such a pretty day. Look at the ships out there by the arch rocks. And Serena and I are just checking this place out. I'm gonna get some photos and yeah, see what else we have to find, uncover, explore.
Pink skies over
See.
there too. It's key.
Does what work? I'm not sure.
There's a water bowl for dogs.
I think it has to. I mean, it might. Let us know if you know if the Cape Meares Lighthouse works. We clearly didn't do our research before we came. All for the shot. The new addition to the family.
Our new baby.
So we're gonna fly him out there and we're gonna see if we can get some cool shots of the Cape Meares Lighthouse. I can already see him. There he is. This is the DJI Mini 4 Pro, and it has the 4K camera lens on it, but it can rotate vertically for Instagram, TikTok, and stuff like that. So this is definitely a good addition to our backpack. We've been needing one. We've shot on the very first Mavic, basically the Mavic Mini, for the longest time, and it was 1080p and horizontal, and it was good. He was a trooper. We got the lighthouse photos up at Tillamook.
I wasn't even recording. Gosh. It was so cool. I was like, whoa, that's cool. Okay, well, let's try again.
Way to go. Always remember to hit the red button. Usually people have an easy time hitting the red button. Sometimes we forget.
Okay. Record. Bloop.
Ready? Yeah. Well, that was the Cape Meares Lighthouse. We're gonna go up and see the Octopus Tree now. But that was a cute little lighthouse.
Yeah.
How you feeling, buddy?
I think I have, oh my god. I think I have asthma.
So Sabrina's coming down with a
I'm not sick. I said I was sick.
case of
I'm
the
not sick.
asthma. It's not a cold, it's not a flu. Yeah, we're hoping this is just temporary.
I'm making it worse.
She's a hiker at heart. She can't not be on a trail.
I'm just gonna cough my way up.
Cough my way up. Just don't cough anything else up. So yeah, we're going back to the parking lot and check on Kepler, because he's in the car. And then go check out the Octopus Tree. And then hopefully grab a bite to eat. I think Kep's tired. He's sleeping in there. Hi, Cap. Alright, I stopped at the car, checked on Kepler, and got out of that puffer. It's too warm. So Sabrina and I are going up to Octopus Tree, and she's not doing too well. Her asthma is really kind of catching up to her. I hope it goes away though. I love you, honey, if you see this. You're probably sitting in a chair editing right now. Much better. So I love you. It'll get better.
That's sweet. I love you.
I love you too.
Turns out I'm feeling so much better, but it was actually pneumonia. Walking pneumonia.
Yeah. They gave her antibiotics and inhaler, and a couple weeks later she's feeling good.
I don't know why we said asthma.
Too many Google researches.
But I'm feeling much better.
Alright, we've reached Octopus Tree. It's actually a Sitka spruce. The tree is 250 to 300 years old.
Ooh.
Not the oldest tree though.
I was just gonna say that. Not
Yep.
the oldest tree.
You remember how old the other one was?
800 years old.
And that one's in Rockaway. It's Rockaway
Big Tree Trail.
Big Tree Trail. If you're up here, check that one out too.
Oh, here we go.
Cap, hi puppy.
Oh, did you take a long nap?
Yeah.
You should go boom.
Need to sleep it. Cap.
Take it off.
Beagle. So we're in Oceanside. At Oceanside Beach Recreation Site. Literally walk through a mountain in a tunnel and come out the other side on the beach. So Sabrina and I are gonna check that out. houses up on the hill. Here's the beach.
I'm kind of nervous going in there.
We did Ape Caves though. Ape Caves was
I know, but it's just like the ocean right there, and then
a tiny little.
you don't know what's on the other side.
It's all a part of the adventure. If you're coming to the Oregon coast, get one of these. This pass will let you into a number of different places listed on the back, and it's only $35, and it's good until the date that they put on the bottom. So this Pacific Coast passport is definitely worth it. You get into, you know, like 6 different other, you know, recreational areas and trails in the Siuslaw National Forest and any state parks.
Ecola State Park, Fort Stevens State Park.
Yeah, Yakina, Lewis and Clark Museum.
Cape
Ocean
Lookout. Cape
Dunes.
Lookout was the one we just did, right? No. Right?
Cape Lookout. Yeah, that was
Hasita
it.
Head. A lot.
Yeah, Hasita Head, Cape Lookout, Shores Acres. I mean, it goes all the way up and down the coast, but get one of these. It's worth it.
Yeah.
But we're going to go check the tunnel out, and then after that, get Kepler out and let him walk around on the beach and annoy people. Falling rocks. Are you Oh, they cut holes in it in the beginning to let more light in.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, you bet.
Look at this place. This is so crazy. Out of this mountain. It's so cool. It was a struggle to get through it. Doesn't look like it, but there's a ton of water in the bottom, which we were not prepared for. But it's so cool. Wow. Let me see. Oh, way up there.
It's time to fly the drone. Wow, that was Tunnel Beach. That was very impressive. Very impressive. Probably some of the best photography and drone videography I think we've had so far. It's just such a pretty location. Sabrina and I are going back to the car. See how Kep's doing. But that tunnel, that was so cool. I mean, if you guys get an opportunity to go in there, the silhouettes on the other side, the opportunity for photos is remarkable. All right, well, what do you think about it?
I loved it. It was so cool. You have to enter a little doorway, a little tiny little doorway, and to go through the mountain.
Yeah.
Get to the other side. It's so cool.
It's really neat. It's underneath this cliff edge right here with a house on top of it. But yeah, the other side I think is better. like I said, the picture opportunities inside the cave, looking out at these rocks out here, could make for an amazing photo. And we have a couple of other things we need to check off heading south, but might go back to Derrick Road Campground again tonight, and I think that's our camping spot now.
Sleepy sleepies.
Okay,
My lazy beagle.
Alright, so we found our camp spot for the night. It's right next to Cape Lookout, which is a hike that we're going to be doing tomorrow morning. We're going to go drive to our dispersed camping spot, but we decided to be closer so that way we can do this hike first thing in the morning. And I guess the plan was to go to Lincoln City and try to find glass balls, but they drop them like
They did it like last weekend.
6 weeks out of the year, and about a week ago they dropped them. So they only drop 100 balls at a time on the beach. So we feel like we've kind of missed our opportunity. But
Yeah.
we're just
try
gonna
them next month.
Yeah. Next month we'll be in Lincoln City, so we'll be getting glass balls then. So now we're just gonna get ready for bed and get comfy, go through our footage, maybe look at the photos and drone footage from today, and
Feed Cap.
feed Kepler.
He
Cap.
wants his din.
Where
His
you at?
din din.
Where you at? Say hi to the folks.
Beagle. Yeah. Anyways, we'll see you tomorrow.
Never turn your back on the ocean.
Don't turn your freaking back on the ocean. Food. You want some food? You want some food, Cap? Ew.
Why?
I'm shaking. I'm walking so slow, and I'm like.
Lighthouse.
Lighthouse.
Morning.
Oh gosh.
Going to Cape
This
Meares.
camera's heavy.
Huh?
This camera is so heavy.